Okay guys, I got a 2006 Infiniti QX56. Now I got the cluster right here, and sadly enough my RPM gauge doesn't work. It just stays about right there. I'll give you an example really quick. See, it just kind of flops around, push on the gas, doesn't do anything. So I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot this, and a potentially really easy fix. And if that doesn't work, I'll show you how to actually fix that. So the first thing you want to do is turn the vehicle off. Then you want to hold the trip reset button down. So I'm going to go down here, turn it to the on position actually, and just keep holding it down, and it'll say test. So right now it's gonna be in test mode, and every time you press this, it's gonna test something else. Now, sadly enough, I can't really read my info screen right here because some of the letters are off, but we will check it out. So this one right here is bulb. It's going to test all of the bulbs, so it's going to turn all of them on, and you can see if you have a bad bulb or not. Something high, maybe lights are high. This will test all of these right here, and as you can see right here on the bottom, that one is bad, and then it looks like it's brighter here than there. That is something else high. That one can't even see anything. That one's low light. DS is 021, not sure what that means. EE01. See, I don't really know what all of these mean. This right here is going to test the gauge. All of the gauges. So that's where we wanted to be. So it tested them and reset them. And I mean, that could have fixed it. We'll see. Let's keep going through these. And if you know what these mean in the comments section, feel free to comment. So F2, F5. That looks like the battery. So there's a lot of them, but I showed you what I wanted to do, so let's turn it off and see if it works this time. Let's press the gas. It still has some issues. So now I'm going to see if I can fix it. I've heard that if you take it apart, take the glass off this and take this piece off right here and put some super glue on it, it'll fix it. So let's see if that works. Okay guys, so all I did was take this piece off right here and put some glue, some crazy glue on the top of it, and now it's working well. So that is pretty cool. I did reset it afterwards using the technique I just showed you guys. But now it's working well, and I'm very happy that that's all it needed. So now I'm going to put everything back together, and if you guys have any questions about how to take it apart, there's 4 7mm screws right there, and then you unhook it from the top part, and then there's little tabs here, all the way around it. You just unhook those and pull this piece off, and you'll get into this area right here. And then from there, you just grab these pieces, pull them off, and that's how you do it. So I did fix some other stuff as well. I fixed this light. It wasn't, some of the numbers on it weren't showing correctly. Back in, and here's something interesting. When I push this, all those lights on the bottom start working. So I'm thinking that it's a connection right there, possibly, or it could be something else. Maybe a connection around here. 100% sure, so we'll test that out and let you guys know. And I took the whole thing apart and reflowed the solder on the board, and that fixed those. So that is something you may want to try if you have that issue. I still do have some bad bulbs, but I'm not going to worry about it. The warning lights that they are bad on don't really concern me, so I'm just going to leave them like that. But if you have any questions on that, let me know. And I did post a link. If your motor is bad, I post a link on where to get those as well. If you have any questions, just let me know, but hopefully this video helped you figure out how to fix your gauges on your Infiniti or Armada or Titan.